Hi friends, today we're going to read a story called Who Likes Rain? And it's written by Wong Herbert Yi. And on the cover we can see a little girl and she's under an umbrella and it looks like there's a lot of rain coming down. So let's see what happens. Oh, there's another picture of her. She's jumping rope. Do you know how to jump rope? I do. Pit, pit, pit on the window pane, down, down, down comes the drops of rain. Who wants rain? Who needs April showers? I know who. There she is inside. The trees and the flowers. See, there's her flowers. Raindrops falling down in spring hit the awning. Ping, ping, ping. When it rains, who's the first to scat? I know, do you? Meow, meow. It's the... do you know? It's the cat. Gurgle, gurgle down the gutters, out the spout, the water splutters. Okay, there's the gutter right here. That's that big pipe. And then all the rainwater comes out of it. Whoosh. Who likes rain? Not Papa's old truck. Who likes rain? Quack, quack. Oh, I bet you can guess the next animal. It's a duck. Pitty plip plop, pitty pat splat. I can catch raindrops in my hat. When it rains, who comes out to squirm? I know, do you? Creep, creep. We find these a lot on the playground after it rains. Do you know what it is? It's a worm, except she found hers in a tree. We usually find ours on the ground or in the grass. Raindrops beat like a tom-tom drum on my umbrella, rum-a-tum-tum. There she is with her umbrella, catching the raindrops. Looks like she's wearing rubber boots, too. Who likes rain? Not my neighbor's dog. Who likes rain? Croak, croak. So there's the dog in this little doghouse. But who do you think likes the rain? It's a frog. A wind comes whooshing through the trees. It shakes the raindrops from the leaves. Oh, there goes her umbrella. It's flying around. Hope she catches it. Who likes rain? It jumps with a splish. I know, do you? Glub, glub. Oh, I think I know what it is. It's a fish. After a while, the showers stop. A few last drops fall. Plip, plip, plop. Clouds break up. No need to huddle. All that's left is... one big puddle. Who likes rain even more than a duck, more than a frog in the muckety muck? Who needs rain besides trees and flowers? Who wants a day with April showers? Off comes the raincoat, boots and hat. Who likes rain? Oh, I think I know. I do. Kersplat. And there she goes, jumping in the puddle. And what do you like to do on a rainy day? Do you like to go outside with your umbrella or jump in puddles? Try it out the next time it rains and see what kind of fun you can have. See you next time.